Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G31 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to tap to photos category so we can get access to more options with selfie photo mirror here. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and off camera mirror effect as we need, and when we want to use this we have to of course remember that this only works for selfies, so we have to change back camera to the front one by simply tapping on this button from the left. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.